What if I told you that the flight you're planning to book next year could cost almost nothing out of your pocket? Thousands of Americans fly using points earned from everyday purchases like groceries, gas, dining, and online shopping. But here's the catch. Not every travel credit card is worth getting. Some have high annual fees with benefits you'll never use, while others can save frequent travelers hundreds or even thousands of dollars each year. In this video, we'll look at some of the best travel credit cards available in the United States. We'll explain how travel rewards actually work, compare different types of travel cards, and help you decide which one fits your travel style. Let's get started. How do travel credit cards work? First, let's clear up one common misconception. Travel credit cards don't literally give you free flights. Instead, they reward you with points or airline miles whenever you make eligible purchases. That means every time you buy groceries, pay for gas, eat at a restaurant, or shop online, you can earn rewards if you're using the right card. Over time, those rewards build up. You can then redeem your points or miles for flights, hotel stays, rental cars, vacation packages, or other travel-related expenses. Some travel credit cards let you book directly through the card issuer's travel portal. Others allow you to transfer your points to participating airline or hotel loyalty programs. Depending on how you redeem your rewards, transferring points can sometimes provide even greater value than booking directly through a travel portal. The key idea is simple. The more valuable your points are, and the smarter you redeem them, the less money you'll spend on future travel. What makes a great travel credit card? Before choosing a travel credit card, it's important to understand what actually makes one better than another. Don't focus only on the welcome bonus. While a large sign-up bonus can be attractive, it's only one part of the overall value. Instead, compare several important features. Look at the annual fee. Check how many rewards points you earn on different types of purchases. Review the travel insurance and purchase protections that come with the card. See whether it offers airport lounge access. Check if it includes credits for TSA, PreCheck, or global entry. Find out whether it charges foreign transaction fees. Finally, look at its airline and hotel transfer partners. The best travel credit card isn't the same for everyone. The right choice depends on how often you travel, where you spend your money, and which travel benefits you'll actually use. Chase Sapphire Preferred. One of the most popular travel credit cards in the United States is the Chase Sapphire Preferred card. Many travelers consider it one of the best all-around options available. One reason is its flexible rewards program. Another reason is its valuable travel protections. It also allows cardholders to transfer rewards to several airline and hotel loyalty programs. This flexibility makes it easier to maximize the value of your points. The card is especially popular among people who travel a few times each year and want excellent travel benefits without paying one of the highest annual fees on the market. If you're looking for a balance between affordability and strong travel rewards, this card is often considered a great choice. Capital One Venture X Rewards Credit Card Next is the Capital One Venture X Rewards Credit Card. This card is designed for people who travel frequently. One of its biggest attractions is its premium travel benefits. These may include airport lounge access and travel credits that can help offset much of the annual fee if you regularly use those benefits. Another advantage is its straightforward reward structure. You don't need to memorize complicated spending categories. If you're someone who flies several times every year and enjoys premium travel experiences, this card may provide excellent long-term value. Capital One Venture Rewards Credit Card. If you don't need premium travel benefits, the Capital One Venture Rewards Credit Card is another strong option. It offers a much simpler experience while still allowing you to earn valuable travel rewards. Many beginners appreciate its easy-to-understand reward system. Instead of worrying about multiple bonus categories, you simply earn rewards through everyday purchases. This makes it a great option for travelers who want simplicity without giving up valuable travel rewards. American Express Gold Card. Another popular choice is the American Express Gold Card. This card is especially attractive for people who spend a significant amount on restaurants and groceries. Many cardholders earn most of their travel rewards from everyday spending instead of travel purchases. Those rewards can later be transferred to participating airline loyalty programs. If dining and grocery shopping make up a large part of your monthly budget, this card could help you accumulate travel rewards much faster. American Express Platinum Card. For travelers who want premium benefits, the American Express Platinum Card is often considered one of the top options. This card is known for offering extensive airport lounge access and numerous travel-related benefits. However, it also comes with one of the highest annual fees among consumer travel credit cards. Because of that, it's generally best suited for frequent travelers who can regularly use its premium travel benefits. If you rarely travel, you may not receive enough value to justify paying the higher annual fee. Bilt Mastercard. The Bilt Mastercard stands out because it offers something very different. Eligible cardholders can earn rewards on rent payments according to the program's terms. Since rent is one of the largest monthly expenses for many Americans, this creates an opportunity to earn travel rewards from money that normally wouldn't generate any rewards. For renters, this card can be an excellent addition to a travel rewards strategy. Common travel credit card mistakes. Before applying for any travel credit card, it's important to avoid a few common mistakes. The biggest mistake is carrying a balance on your credit card. Travel rewards are valuable, but credit card interest can quickly cost much more than the rewards you've earned. Whenever possible, pay your statement balance in full every month. Another common mistake is choosing a premium travel card simply because it sounds impressive. Premium cards often include luxury benefits like airport lounges and travel credits, but if you won't actually use those benefits, paying a high annual fee may not be worth it. Another mistake is redeeming your points without comparing your options. Sometimes transferring points to an airline loyalty program provides better value than booking travel directly through the card issuer's travel portal. Finally, remember that credit card offers change over time. Annual fees, welcome bonuses, rewards rates, travel credits, and other benefits can all change. Always review the latest information directly from the card issuer before applying. Which travel credit card should you choose? So which travel credit card is right for you? If you're completely new to travel rewards, consider starting with a beginner-friendly card that has a reasonable annual fee and flexible rewards. If you travel several times each year, a mid-tier travel card with strong travel protections and transfer partners may provide the best balance between cost and benefits. If you're constantly flying for work or vacations, a premium travel card with airport lounge access and valuable travel credits may offer the greatest overall value. And if you're a renter, a card that allows eligible users to earn rewards on rent payments can help you build travel rewards much faster. The best travel credit card is the one that matches your spending habits and travel goals. Final thoughts. Travel credit cards can be an incredibly powerful financial tool when used responsibly. They can help reduce the cost of flights, hotels, rental cars, and vacations while rewarding you for purchases you were already planning to make. However, the rewards only provide real value if you avoid paying interest, choose a card that fits your lifestyle, and redeem your points wisely. Instead of chasing the biggest promotional offer, focus on finding a card whose long-term benefits match the way you actually spend and travel. Remember that card benefits, welcome offers, annual fees, and rewards programs can change over time, so always verify the latest information before applying for any credit card. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more personal finance, investing, and travel rewards content. Also, let us know in the comments which travel credit card you think offers the best value for everyday travelers in the United States. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.